Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to get straight into this video's content, and we're going to be talking about sea moss. My friend Jackie, shout out to Jackie, made this for me in a jelly form, and she put it in a mason jar. It has to be refrigerated, just FYI, so that it does not go bad. We're going to talk about how I'm going to use this on my face today. You can eat this. If you want, you can put it in smoothies or things like that. But I'm going to give you the benefits of using it on your face that I have written down on my phone. So what does sea moss do for your skin? So, I'm always trying to look for something that's going to help my skin because I have, acne scarring. I do have some breakouts sometimes, but I have mostly, just acne scarring and discoloration and hyperpigmentation on my skin. So, the benefits of sea moss with skin issues is that it does have over 92 minerals in it, right? So some of those are zinc, which helps with skin, magnesium, iodine, calcium, phosphorus, potassium. Excuse me. It is also good for you to eat because it has a lot of fiber in it. It has a lot of vitamin K. Let's see. What else did I write down? It's antibacterial, it's antiviral, antifungal. It helps with eczema, psoriasis, dermatitis, burns, irritated skin, dry skin. It helps smooth your skin, helps make your skin more supple. Let's see. So all these things we're going to test and see how it feels on my face. I've seen people, put it on their skin and they say it like tightens up. So what I did was I just put some of it in like a little glass bowl, and I just kind of stirred it up so that I can get it as smooth as I could because it is like a jelly form, like I said, in the mason jar. It's like, you can't pour. It's not like a liquid. Like, it's very stiff, so you have to stir it up. So I did stir it up. So my hands are clean. Make sure you have a clean hands. My face is already washed. So I'm just gonna put it on and see after maybe 30 minutes or so what it does, if it tightens up or if it feels tight, because a lot of people say it'll make your skin feel tight, like you'll start feeling it tighten up around your skin. It kind of seems like it would be like how egg yolk does on your face. If you ever tried that before, try it. It makes your skin super, super tight. So I'm going to just see what this does. I'm actually going to eat it too in a second and see if it has like a weird taste or anything. They say you can't taste it when you put it in your smoothies. If you put it in like a smoothie with like fruit and, maybe like some greens or something, some spinach or something like that. See what it does. Helps with a lot of things internally as well. So I'm going to try that too. I'm going to use this jar. I really can't tell you how much I put in here. Maybe like 2 spoonfuls for my whole face, and it's definitely enough. Like, I have enough probably to smear somewhere else. I'm gonna put some on my neck too. You don't want that old turkey neck skin down here. And let's just see what this does. If you guys have tried this before, let me know. It does come in all different kind of forms too. When you buy it raw, it looks like raw noodles when you buy it raw. And I don't know how she makes it into a jelly form. I just buy it from her. So I'm going to try to see if I can put a link down to Jackie's for Jackie's information. So in case anyone wants to purchase it, you can. Or if you just want to get information about it, you can contact her to see if she's able to give you a link on where you can purchase your own sea moss in your city. Okay, so that's basically it. I'll just rub it on. I'm going to let it dry. Make sure you get up under that eye, get all up in the creases, child. I don't know if it helps bags, but I look tired. Look tired. Put it on my eyebrow hairs. Might do something with that. Let's just rub it across my lips too. See what it does. Let me see. Let me verify this. had to, but I'll be back once it dries. Okay, y'all. So it's been like 30 minutes. Yeah, about 30 minutes. And the more I moved or try to move my face and my lips, it started like cracking and peeling like all around. It doesn't like hurt or anything, but it's starting to peel off like if I like old people's skin. Oh, that felt weird, but it doesn't hurt. It's not like a you know those masks that you peel off. It's not like that, but it you definitely will start feeling it tighten up on your face after probably like 10 minutes. Like it started to crack and peel and feel tight around my mouth really quick. It doesn't look like anything. It just looks like a layer of thin skin. So I'm just gonna rinse it off and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I just rinsed this off. It took me a minute to rinse it off because I thought the product was still on my face because my skin felt so like, I don't know, like when you're rinsing it off, it reverts back to like a smooth jelly feel. I can still feel it on my hands. It feels like velvety. Like your skin feels like super smooth. It kind of reminds me of if you got wet or put water on your hands and then use baby oil, and you know how it feels like you can just see the baby oil beads on top of the water. That's how my skin felt. So I'm gonna be using this all the time. Okay, we're gonna see what it does after a while, but like just right now it just feels super smooth and soft just off one application. Like I said, I only left it on for about 30 minutes. But thank you, Jackie. Like, oh my God, I'm trying to make sure that I can figure out a way to put her information in the description box below so that you guys can like hit her up and get more information about sea moss if you want it. And maybe figure out ways that you can use it from her because she's the person who put me on it. And we danced together with Intent Co-Fabric Dance Company here in Nashville, Tennessee. So yeah, like it feels nice afterwards. I can say that. It is a weird feeling when you put it on and your skin starts to tighten up, but that's what you want. You want that feeling. So I'm probably gonna use this a couple more times this week and see, girl. Okay. So yeah, that's all I have for you guys for today. And like I said, I'll try to put in the description box information to connect with my friend Jackie, with my sister, and let you guys, I don't know what, I took this from Sister Deborah, okay? Shout out to Sister Deborah. But this little string right here is getting on my nerve. I take something from my mama, like, every time I go to Milwaukee, I take one thing of hers. So, yeah, this is the one number. I've had this for a long time, too, and it's really comfy. A little mommy moo-moo, even though I'm not a mommy. I took it from my mommy. So, thank you, Sister Deborah. Girl, this is fabulosity, okay? So, yeah, that's it. Make sure you share, like, subscribe, comment in the comment section below. Send it to Pookie Nim, you know. Just do what you do. Thanks. Bye.